Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on CSS Outline Styles, and right now we'll be discussing about the CSS Outline Style with solid value. Back to our document, we are having this in our previous tutorial where we discussed about the outline style of dashed. So right now I'm going to be using the solid value in our outline style. So right here I'm going to be changing this one to what? To solid. And to specify the outline style, I'm going to use this property outline dash style. Then when I specify that, then I can give it a value which is solid. Let's save our document now and see how the solid looks. Let's reload our document. Can you see now our outline is now looking nice and is a straight line at the top, left, right, and the bottom, as you can see. And also we can change this. We can remove it out of our fit set element and give our body element the outline itself. So how can we do that easily? We can comment out this one right here, and we comment out this one, and we uncomment out the one we are having right here. Let's just give this one solid, so you can see how it looks neatly. I'm purposely doing this in different elements so you can be able to see how it reacts to different elements. Now let's reload our document. Can you see the way the outline looks? The outline is another line which you can find immediately after your border. So as you can see, we're having this red border. Our outline is now the black border you are seeing right here. So please practice this, because practice makes perfect. Anwar Akorede Ayofe is my name once again. I wish to see you guys next time to the next tutorial. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Peace.